guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Emily and today I got a haircut. I'm loving it. I hope you guys like it too. But anyways, today I'm finally gonna go for it and we are going to organize my closets, okay? This is gonna be like probably a 2-day thing because it's already pretty late. It's literally 5 o'clock already. I never record this late, but I can't wait any longer. And the evening is like peak organization time for me. I don't know what it is. When it's the evening, I just wanna clean, I just wanna organize. So we're just gonna do that together. I got a few things from Amazon. I was going to get items from IKEA, but I think I should be fine with what I got. Basically, the main issue with my apartment is that I have like no storage. It's very, very minimal storage. So my apartment has 2 closets, the one in my bedroom and then the one in the second bedroom, which is my office. I want to start in my bedroom because it just has the most stuff in it. And then the office one, I'll probably get to that tomorrow. So let me show you what we're working with. So here we are in the bedroom. And then behind this door that leads to the living room is my closet. So this is what the closet currently looks like. As you can tell, it's pretty small. This is the same size as both closets. So for shoe organizing, I have this behind the door, which has honestly been such a game changer. Because for the longest, I just had this shelf all the way back there for shoes. And there's more back there. I need to obviously organize it. I have my suitcases in there, like one inside the other. Hats over here. I have other bags here. This bag has other bags inside. This is where I have like some bedding. This is where I have extra towels. And I usually have my laundry basket in here, but I removed it because it was insane. I have to do laundry. Back here I have some other travel stuff, some backpacks. I have like my bathing suits. So yeah, that's the closet in the bedroom. And then over here I have these bags that I like displayed. I have my boots that I've been wearing more often now that I should clean off a little bit. And then I have my new loafers that I just got. They're like creepers. I am obsessed with these shoes. And then if you make your way through the bathroom and into the office, don't mind the mess. I have to put my Halloween stuff away. Just the same, behind the main door is the closet door. So behind the door I have some tote bags and it's basically a disaster in here. I have like some office stuff, some extra like gifts, PR stuff that I just have tucked away. This is where I decided to put my larger jackets. I have my vacuum, my space heater, my fan, which my fan can go back to the storage unit because it's cold now. And then I have a few returns for the online shop that I have to go through and take to the storage unit. And then I have my boxes that have my paperwork, files and stuff. So yeah, this one's a disaster for sure, but I don't really know exactly what I want to do with that yet. So let me show you the stuff that I got. It's just over here. So I wanted something to organize my jeans better because in my dresser, there's like no more space. I believe these were like hangers that help you like collapse things so you can make more space. I got some more velvet black hangers. And then my friend got these stackable shoe boxes. Had really good reviews, so I just went for it. And then these 2 boxes are the same. They're just to assemble these like shelves. Ooh, I think I'm gonna be very impressed with this, you guys. Okay, I'm just gonna measure from up here. Okay, it's just gonna have to be 3. Okay, cool. You know what though? I also wanted to consolidate this stuff. So maybe I should work on this first. That way it could be as cleared out as possible. In case you're wondering, this is the jean situation. So yeah, it's pretty packed in there. We're gonna be using, and so we're gonna use these guys. Yes, perfect. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Wow. All right, so I'm done with these. I love this, honestly. So these are mostly Zara jeans with the exception of like this pair. And I still have a few, but these I really don't wear. I don't even know I have them, honestly, because I don't wear them. That freed up so much space, so I'm gonna be able to put those back in there, and then I'll just put those cotton pants over here, and they're not gonna take up any space. So let's continue. Wow. Okay, that's awesome. My plan is actually to organize those and put them in here. I'm hoping they fit. They should fit because I measured. So I'm going to add 2 for sure on this side and then see if 1 is necessary over there. But I mean, I feel like it should be fine. Okay, only took me a few more minutes and I got all 6 going. You guys, these things are so good and they feel like sturdy enough, honestly.
Watching all night, different windows, trying to see if someone was gonna come back up to my house.
Guys, it works. They fit literally perfect. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. So far so good. Look at how I love it. Next step is going to be the shoes. I bought the acrylic shoe boxes. My plan is to put them up here, stack them. I have a step stool in case I need to reach shoes, but the ones that I don't use often, I want to keep in those boxes. And that way I can easily see them and then easily grab whatever I need. And then here will be like, obviously not all shoes fit on here because of how big they are. But for example, I wear these all the time. And then there's some stuff that's like very like summer, like these are very summer, so I could put these away. So first, before we could even do that, we have to actually build them. Now we're gonna move on to the living room and build those boxes. Okay guys, I'm obsessed. I put 2 right here. I put 1 here, but it's like different. It doesn't fit properly. 4 of these stacks of 3 total. So I'm thinking about adding them up there and just using my little step ladder. That way I don't have to put anything over here, you know? So I'm just gonna grab my step stool. I don't even care if I'm making a bunch of noise. My neighbor upstairs, she's always making so much noise. You know what? Maybe I should put my boots right here. I mean, I should really clean them too. I feel like it would be good to have them there. We'll see. Let me clean those first and then I'm gonna just start rearranging. So what I decided to do here is add this hook. I swear, these hooks that I got from Amazon, I got these a while ago and they're seriously so amazing. What's up, chica? It is the next day and we are going to finish organizing the closets. Yesterday I finished off the bedroom closet. I love how it turned out. Right now I'm going to show you guys how that turned out and then we're going to move on to the office. So let's get to it. No more waiting. Let me show you how good the bedroom closet looks. All right, back in the room. Let me show you what we're working with. All right, here is the upgraded closet. I love it so much. So we have the shoe rack right here behind the door. Super great storage. I kind of wish it was a different color, but it's all good. This is from Amazon, by the way. Obviously, I need to keep my luggage in here. I have my carry-on inside this bag. But honestly, it's fine because I just have to roll it in and out. And also my hamper isn't in here because I have to do laundry. So I just left it out, but it would just go right here. So I'm gonna have to say that these, honestly, I mean, everything's my favorite, but these things for my jeans and then for like my bodysuits are such a lifesaver. They save so much space. So let me give you a little tour of the closet. We will start right here with the actual clothes. So obviously, you know, the other closet has my larger coats, and right here I have like leather jackets, other like cuter sweaters compared to the other ones, I guess, and not like heavy jackets. Some like cardigan. It goes from like long sleeves to like casual like short sleeves, and then these are all like bodysuits. I had so many bodysuits, so I just used this thing in order to have a lot in one, and it saves so much space. Then we have some jeans. Over here we have my skirts, and then it goes on to like casual dresses, on to more like formal looking dresses. Then down here we have the little storage thing that we built yesterday. So easy to build. Highly recommend these, and it's actually pretty sturdy, you guys. Like, I'm pretty impressed. This is such a good option if you want something like the IKEA ones but don't want to spend that much and spend so much time building. And this is just going to be in the closet, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So here I have bedding, more bedding, towels, more towels, other towels, like smaller ones, and then I also have my beach towels down below. And then right here I have all like bathing suits. So this is perfect. Here I have my travel toiletry bag, my travel makeup bag. Now over here, I added this hook last night. So I decided to hang this black purse that I had tucked away, and I want to use it. So now I'm going to be reminded of it because it's just easier to get to. And then I have this cute little backpack. So quick, easy access to it. Love it there. And it frees up so much space just having it hung up there. Then I have my boots that I wear a lot, very often, and they obviously don't fit on there and don't fit over here. So I wanted to just have them displayed nicely. Same goes with my hiking boots. Well, this pair of hiking boots, they're a little bit bigger, so they're not gonna fit in here, but I think they look pretty cool up there. I'm so amazed with these shoe boxes. I think they're so cool. I have my high top and like chunky Converse. I have my loafers right here. These are just a pair of flats. These sandals, there's actually two in there. Some wedged heels. And then up there I have, I think other heels and then another pair of hiking shoes. And then here I have all of my hats. And then in here I have like some travel bags, my beanies, a scarf and stuff. So whenever I need that, because right now I really don't need a beanie or a scarf or anything, but when I do, then I'll just take that out and make it more accessible. And then this is my weekender bag. So it's just like another travel bag where I have even more individual bags inside. And that is the tour of the closet. I love it, guys. I'm gonna have everything linked. They are seriously lifesavers. And I have a whole other set of the shoe boxes that I'm just gonna, and then I do have one set of 3 left over that can go right up there. But since I don't need it right now, I'm not gonna use it. But luckily, whenever I get like new shoes and I need the storage, then I'll have a whole other set of 3 ready to go. Okay, we are in the office now. I actually cleaned up a little bit because it was a disaster. I obviously put away my Halloween stuff and my Dia de Muertos stuff. So I have like a pile of things along with other things, like other home decor items that have to go into one of those storage units. Let me show you what we're working with here in the closet. Yeah, the plan is to set up those units right here too. Now that I know how to build these, I suspect it to not take long at all. I'm so excited to do this right now because then I go on vacation with my family, minus my sister because she's in school, so unfortunately she cannot join us. Also, is it strange that I really, really like these things? Like, I wish I thought of this. I wish I thought of this because they're just so smart. So smart. All right, we got it done pretty fast. I'm telling you, once you know what you're doing, super easy. Okay. all against here. Okay, so we're gonna have that there. I'm thinking the most annoying thing, which is this box. This can go tucked away back there. The clean stuff can be tucked away. I guess I could put the bubble wrap there. An extra tape thingy, a label maker. Oh, I even have a staple gun. I have a staple gun. Things like that. Maybe eventually I could get bins for that, but I kind of don't mind how this is right now. So I'm thinking about keeping it as is. I do have my shoes. These are just like walking shoes, running shoes, whatever, that I use for whenever I walk on my walking pad on the little treadmill right here. So I just like keeping these in here because easier access. These I would like to be more visible down there. It's like, okay, actually this is a beach blanket that I have to put next to my other beach blankets. And then I have like things that have been gifted. I just have a bunch of random stuff, you guys, that I need to organize. By the way, if you like these baskets, they are actually available on my shop. They are handmade in Vietnam and I love them so much. So yeah, this is like this is the largest size. They're so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna swap this out for a smaller one and then it'll look real good down there. I honestly don't even need 2 filing cabinets. I just need 1. You guys, we're all done and I'm so happy with how organized this looks. Organizing honestly makes me the most happy, I think, because I don't know, I just feel so much better. I feel like my life is put together. So let's do a little office closet tour now. So we left our like totes and bags right here. This is my tripod bag. We have those labels, the file folders, my filing bin. I have my little space heater here, and then this thing that has like all those, the label machine, glue gun, things like that. And then we have the coats for like winter, heavier coats. We have all the cleaning stuff. That stuff I don't use too often compared to the vacuum, of course. So the vacuum is right here. We have the Cox internet box, the extra surfer, dusters. Right here we're gonna have like filming supplies as we add on. As of now, it's just the backdrop. Right here is just the boxes to electronics. In here it's just going to be like miscellaneous little baggies. And then in here is just like extra stuff that I'm given from like brands. Maybe I don't use it all the time, or maybe I want to gift it to friends, things like that. My shoes for my walking pad, camera bags, all that. The bubble wrap for orders. This is a bag that I usually use for my laptop, so I figured keep it there. Then I have my step stool, and that is it. It is looking good. It is looking good. I'm so happy. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And if you liked any of the items that I shared with you today, which I'm sure you will because they're pretty good. They're pretty good. If you liked any of the stuff, then I'll share it down below in the description. And like always, I hope you guys were able to take a bit of inspiration or motivation to maybe clean up your space a bit, organize a little bit, organize something you've been putting off, or hopefully it was at least a bit entertaining. But that will be it, you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. I appreciate you. I love you, and I will see you next time.